Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an announcement channel inside of Discord so that only you can post in it. So if you go to whatever section you want in, I've got a section called Server Info, and create a new channel. I'm going to call this Announcements, and then hit Enter. Here you can just go inside and say like, hey, add everyone, the big new whatever game is coming out. Be here tonight at 5 p.m. and let's game it out. And then from here, you want to make sure that only you or trusted admins can post in this channel. So you can just hit Edit Channel, go to Permissions, and go to Everybody. And you want everyone to be able to view channel, but you want only you to be able to send messages. So you can just deny everyone the ability to send messages in this channel and hit Save. And now only people who have the proper permissions to can. So in this case, we can now go up here and add a new role. I can say that cool members, they're not allowed to still. And then I can go to moderators may send messages in this channel. And then admins, I don't really have to specifically say admins because admins have all the permissions. But if you want to just be thorough, just so you know who's got what role where, or what permissions where, I should say, you can do so manually with all of them, and that's all you have to do. Is just create or control the send messages tag. I guess I accidentally did the create invite, but I can say send messages. And you just want the people who are able to message in here to have the send message permission, and you want people who shouldn't to do not have the send messages. The other thing you might want to deny people the ability to do is react with emojis, because they can write different messages in reactions underneath of it, which can be really annoying. People can actually spell out slurs and stuff if you're not careful. So denying them the add reaction permission and using emojis in this channel is also probably a smart idea as well. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to set up an announcement channel. This will also work for the rules channel. I've done something similar here where I've set up different permissions. In this case, I've set up so everyone can view the channel, but they can't send messages, and I would do the exact same thing in this channel. I would deny them the ability to add reactions or to do anything besides view what's going on inside of this channel. Now, the reason why I group them together in one category is you could even just set up all channels in this category by editing the category and adding permissions inside the category, where you can then just set one set of permissions instead of one for every channel, where this channel now, because it's underneath of this server info category, now random members can't send messages, but only moderators can. And because these two channels are inside the server info category, they'll inherit those permissions unless you specify other permissions directly on the channel level. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.